Hi there, I'm going to introduce GenAI Studio's monitoring and observability functionality. As you know, GenAI Studio is part of Five9's core platform and it powers all the generative AI features across the different Five9 products. Five9's GenAI Studio allows you to create customized LLM prompts that can perform complex tasks such as write conversation summaries, obtain insights from your contact center, perform advanced AQM queries, and even build AI agents. On the flip side, large language models can be unpredictable in terms of the response that they generate. This could mean that they take longer to evaluate the prompt, provide inaccurate information, also called as hallucinations, or even provide information that is not complete. Furthermore, they're also subject to prompt injection attacks. Prompt injection can happen when a malicious user tries to alter the prompt and force the model to take undesirable actions. GenAI Studio's monitoring and observability feature is designed to address that specific problem. To access the feature, you click on the Reporting tab at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can see that you are presented with a number of different charts. On the first row, you have a few usage-based charts. You can see the different prompts that have been evaluated in the last 7 days. You can track the prompt evaluations across the different products, such as Agent Assist or IVA. And you can also see the evaluations across the different models that you're currently using. The next row shows some of the performance-based metrics. Context adherence indicates if the model's response is adherent to the context information that was provided to the model. A higher value indicates that it is using the context information correctly, and a lower value indicates that the model could be hallucinating. Prompt injection count plots the number of attempts that there was a likelihood of an unintended prompt to have altered the behavior of the model. The completeness score tells you how complete the model's response was with respect to the question that was asked. A higher value obviously indicates more complete answers, and lower values is something that you don't want to see in your domain. Now, if you see some patterns in your charts that are not normal and you want to track down the individual prompt that is causing the problem, it's very easy to do that. Let's say you see that there has been a high number of potential prompt injection attacks on May 20. You can click on that day and now you will see all the different metrics just for that day. You can see which product was used that day and the actual model that caused the prompt injection attack. You can then go to this table here, which shows a breakdown of the different metrics for each prompt that you have within your domain. Now you can click on the prompt injection metrics to sort the prompts based on this value. So now this is showing me the prompt that was responsible for the most number of prompt injection attacks. I can also click on the prompt to see all the stats just for that prompt alone. I can even look at the individual evaluations to see each evaluation result and the different values for the different metrics. The key here is to be able to get to the specific prompt that needs to be fixed and make sure that all your LLM features are working in the most optimal manner. This is GenAI's monitoring and observability feature in a nutshell. Thank you.